Oh, it's bitterly cold. Hey guys, William Murphy here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the video, and welcome to preparation for an event. So, obviously, in true fashion, I rather than preparing a car in a timely manner, the event's tomorrow, and I've dug my little car out. I'm going to give it a wash, and then I'm going to attempt to try and start it. So I need to charge the battery. I've got fuel, I've got spark, which is great. I just haven't got the oomph to get it started now. So I'm going to give the car a quick sprints over because it's been under a car cover for the last goodness knows how many months. And then give it a quick little blast in the engine bay as well. So if you don't know this car, this is Rusty. This is my 1979 Austin Mini Clubman. And tomorrow we are going to go to the Cheshire Automotive Pageant. Let's get stuck in. So the paintwork on the exterior of this car is actually pretty good. It's been on there for like 15 years now. So there is signs of bubbling, signs of rust, but we'll come to that. The paint, the engine bay, however, isn't as good. So I've just jet washed all the flaky bits off. That will need to be redone at some point. But for the time being, it's not really important. I won't open the bonnet up, but I jet washed all the oil off the rocker cover and bits and pieces. One thing I would love to do on this car is get different wheels. I'm not really a huge fan of mini lights. I'd like to have something different, and maybe gold would be quite cool. Like a set of Mambas or something a little bit different. But yeah, what do you think? It's looking quite good. So, time now to get it into the garage, dry it off, and then work out what's going on. I'm probably going to just get in the car and whiz down to Halfords and get myself a new battery, because this one here's been on charge for a couple of hours and it didn't really look like it's taken much, and every time I've gone to use it, it has had a bit of an issue. So yeah, do love this car. So I'm going to do the exterior, the interior, there's a little hoover, love those seats. I have one of these what do you call it, moisture bags, and it exploded, so there's little beads everywhere. Go over it with probably just a quick detail, and then check the tyre pressures, and if I can get it running, fantastic. One thing I do need to sort as well is this. So I do have a new badge, but I thought it would come with like an adhesive backing, but it didn't. It just come with like a silver plate. So I'm gonna try and work out how to fit that on. But yeah, it looks really good for a quick little smoosh over. I might even change the steering wheel as well, because I can. So yeah, let's get her inside, or him inside, and let's get drying. say I'm surprised it doesn't run very well. It's not been used 6 months. Potentially even longer. For a little drive before we thoroughly clean it down. I'm not going to go to town with the cleaning, but I have just bought a ceramic quick detailer, so hopefully it can make things a little bit easier. But also there's a lot of sitting water in the car. The drying towel I have is useless, so I could do with just getting out and basically airing the car. See how that goes, but we could be alright. It might still run like a bag of nails. There's only one way to find out though. jobs that need doing almost urgently. I mean, it's idling well high. Headlining, new lights, carburetor overhaul, bit of welding on the back because the back end has gone a bit meh. we drive this tomorrow, I'll be happy. Half a tank of fuel. I'm going to try and just tweak that down a little bit, if I can, because that's very, very high. How about this for a bit of change? Go back to the original. Okay. So, exterior's cleaned, the car is running, the steering's been replaced. Next up, hoover the interior, give the glass a bit of a wipe, I'm done. So I'm really looking forward to this event. It's going to be the first one I've been to in the car this year, first one I've been to in my a car for quite a while. I've been going to a lot of events locally as a spectator, take along the camera, but now we've got the OG, so should be good. Original steering wheel too, lovely. I have got some driving gloves somewhere, but I think that might look like a bit of a helmet. So yeah, give it a quick hoover inside. We're done. Right, so the car is now prepared as best I'm going to do it. It'd be great to have a full day preparing, cleaning, polishing, cutting and all that jazz. I just haven't got the time at the moment, so it's as good as it's going to be for tomorrow. Hopefully I get there and back without any hiccups. Exterior's been washed. Gone over with the ceramic cleaner as well. The interior's been hoovered. The plugs have been removed and cleaned. The points and the rotor arm contacts and the rotor have been cleaned. This has got electronic ignition on. I've got fresh fuel. What more can I do? Oh, I'll change the steering wheel as well. What more can I do between now and tomorrow? Nothing. Get some sleep. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed this. I'm really looking forward to bringing the content to you from the event, because it looks like such an amazing event. Potentially one that I may not fit in with in this car. Maybe I need something a bit more exotic and a bit more rowdy, but we'll see. This car typically holds its own, and we'll see how it gets on. But until then, I'll see you in the next video on this car, which will be the Cheshire Automotive Pageant. And I look forward to bringing you the content. So until then, take it easy. If you did enjoy this, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below. If you haven't done so already, please consider becoming a subscriber. Until next time, take it easy. See you later.